everyone, this is Reshma and you all are watching English Grammar. So in this today's session we are going to have final revision of State Board's exam. Very first, let's talk about the punctuate the following. Few examples are given on the screen. You can read on your own and solve all the examples. Here only you should keep in mind first letter should be capital and at the end full stop. If assertive sentence is asked, you can put there full stop. If interrogative sentence is there, you can simply put there question mark. The second, pick out the infinitives. Here you should find it out second verb. If two verbs are given over there, then second verb would be your infinitive जो कि to2 के साथ आता है. For example, in the first example to sing, second example to grow, third example to go, and fourth example to earn. Find out hidden words. Means board will provide you one big word and by using their letters you can write other four words. Minimum 4 letters you can use over there and maximum it is upon you. For example, difference. If the board provides you difference word, then you can write dine, fine, fire or dear. This way you can solve other examples. Next one, let's talk about the give the blending words. Blending means by adding two words you will have a new word. For example, breakfast plus lunch, it would be brunch. Smoke plus fog, it would be smoke. Next topic, write the root word by dropping suffix and prefix. Means here you have to remove suffix or prefix of the word and it's a root word you can write. For example, relationship. In this word, tion and ship, these two are suffixes added over there and its root word is relate. Remaining examples you can watch. Next one, make a word register. Word register means you have to write related words of the given topic. For example, universe. If the board asks you universe, then you can write in the universe stars are there, planets are there, galaxy, asteroid, Milky Way. This way you can write any four words. This question you will have for 2 marks. So it is very, very simple. Only related words you can mention over there. Fine. Next topic is word chain. So word chain is divided into 3 parts. You will have whether you will have word chain of verb, word chain of noun or word chain of adjective. If board give you call word, then you have to write more 4 words. Don't add their ing to the each verb. You have to write like this. Call से last का letter L है तो next word क्या होगा? Laugh. Laugh का H last letter है तो next word होगा heat. Heat का last letter T है तो next word होगा kill. Like this you can complete a chain of verb. If the word is given like Pune, Pune is the proper noun, so you can use any 4 proper nouns over there. Then if the board asks you an adjective, for example large, so there you can write whether quality, quantity, color or shapes. For example, large का last letter है E, so E से excellent, T से talented, D से dark and K से kind. Okay, next topic, change the voice. Here you have to pay attention or you just attentively read all the examples. अगर आपको simple tense में changes करने हैं, present simple होगा तो am is are plus V3, past simple होगा तो was were plus V3 and simple future होगा तो will be shall be plus V3 would be there. Remaining changes, subject will go to the object place and object will come first at the subject place. Fine, these are the changes. And in the continuous tenses, what you will do the same thing. Present में am is are plus being plus V3, past में was were plus being plus V3 and future का तो हो नहीं सकता है. Then if I talk about the perfect tenses, अगर present perfect है तो have has plus been plus V3, past है तो had plus been plus V3. Fine, okay. Then if board asked you any like a imperative sentence, if the board give you imperative sentence and if it asks about the change the voice of the following sentence, then how you will change. तो आपको इन केस में क्या करना है, इस केस में आपको लेट से स्टेटमेंट शुरू करना है. जैसे कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आपको दिया है कि डोंट राइट द नोवेल, तो आंसर आएगा लेट नो द नोवेल बी रिटन बाय यू. अगर लिखा तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. ये तो एड अ क्वेश्चन टैग है. तो हियर आपको सिर्फ ये चाहिए मीन्स जो गिवन सेंटेंस है उसको जैसे वैसे लिखना है. देन आफ्टर दैट कॉमा एंड देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड प्लस सब्जेक्ट एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम का अरेंट हो जाएगा. हिज मदर स्प्रैंग अगर दिया है तो डिडंट शी वर्क्स दिया है तो डजंट शी, देन ही वेंट दिया है तो डिडंट ही. ये तो अकॉर्डिंग इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द सेंटेंस. अगर सेंटेंस में आपको वर्ब दिया है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन दैट सेम वर्ब यू कैन यूज. एंड इफ द सेंटेंस इज इन अफर्मेटिव, then you can change it into negative question tag. अगर sentence negative दिया है तो आपका question tag आएगा positive sense में. Let's talk about the collocation. Collocation means related, जो कि पेयर में आने वाले words. For example, underline words you have to write. टिकट के आगे पेयर में क्या हो सकता है, ऑफिस हो सकता है या फिर टिकट चेकर हो सकता है. ड्रिजल के आगे क्या हो सकता है, लाइट ड्रिजल जो रेन के बारे में होता है. जैसे कि देन बॉडी बिल्डर होगा, देन हेवी रेन. सो दिस वे यू कैन सी रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल्स एंड practice on your own. Now let's talk about the frame the question. frame the WH questions. How you will frame the WH questions? So very first you need WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus remaining sentence and question mark. So if सेंटेंस में अगर कोई जगह को अंडरलाइन किया है, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर क्वेश्चन बाय व्हेन, सॉरी वेयर, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर क्वेश्चन बाय वेयर. अगर टाइम के बारे में दिया है तो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर क्वेश्चन बाय व्हेन. अगर रीजन दिया है बिकॉज से तो आप क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर सकते हो वाई से. अगर आपको कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है या फिर प्रोसेस इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर दी है तो आप व्हाट से शुरू कर सकते हैं. इफ प्रोसेस इज गिवन और एनी टेक्निक इज गिवन ओवर देयर इन अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स देन यू कैन स्टार्ट योर क्वेश्चन बाय हाउ. अगर पर्सन के बारे में है किसी तो हु से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, या फिर पोजेशन के बारे में होगा तो फिर आप हु से आपका क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. फाइन, ओके. Next, let's talk about the model auxiliary and state its function. So here in the first example, he could be treated at the cancer hospital. Here could functions as possibility. यहाँ पे तो possibility बताई गई है. Then they may come today. Here may is your model auxiliary, and model auxiliary this may you can use for the means to show possibility. I can go there. Can shows capability, ability or capacity. May I come in? Here may shows permission. I ought to complete work. Ought to shows obligation. I will learn dance. Will shows your promise or future plan. If should is given over there in the sentence, then should also can use for the obligation. And the next topic is related to present participle in which last letter is doubled. So here few examples are given. You can write simply stopping, robbing, swimming, eating, putting, running. And if the board asks you, write to past participle. Past participle means V3. So in this case you can write robbed, stopped, जिसका last का letter double हुआ है.